In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a quick reminder using WhatsApp in just 4 simple steps. Whether you're looking to remind yourself to do a daily task or just need that extra nudge to keep hydrated, this method is both effective and easy to master. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open WhatsApp. This might sound basic, but it's essential that the app is up and running for the rest of the steps to work seamlessly. Locate the WhatsApp icon on your phone's home screen or within your app menu and give it a tap. As it loads, you'll be taken to your chats list, which is essentially the hub for all your conversations. Once you have WhatsApp open, the next step is to search for the Perplexity account. You can do this by tapping on the search bar at the top of the app. It usually looks like a small magnifying glass. Once you've activated the search feature, carefully type in Perplexity account. As you type, WhatsApp will filter and display contacts and groups that match. When you see the Perplexity account appear in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will open the chat window with the Perplexity account, where you'll create your reminder. Next up, let's make our prompt. This is the fun part where you can craft a personalized reminder. In your chat with the Perplexity account, tap on the text box at the bottom of the screen to activate your phone's keyboard. Here, you'll want to type out your specific prompt. For today's example, we're setting a reminder for hydration. Type, "Remind me to drink water in the next 5 seconds." As you type, ensure that your wording is clear and straightforward, so it's easy for the reminder to understand and execute precisely what you need. Finally, it's time to send your prompt. After ensuring that your reminder text is accurately typed, locate the Send button, which looks like a paper airplane icon, usually found on the right side within the chat box. Tap this Send button to submit your prompt. Once it's sent, you'll likely see a confirmation in the chat that your reminder has been set successfully. Within a few seconds, you should receive the notification or alert reminding you of your task, such as taking that all-important sip of water. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to set a reminder through WhatsApp using the Perplexity account. It's a handy trick that can help keep you on top of your daily to-dos. Thanks for following along today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Stay hydrated and see you in the next video.